Welcome to our channel. Discover how to quickly and securely log into your TestingTime account with these easy steps. Welcome to our channel today. We will walk you through the simplest way to log into your TestingTime account. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official TestingTime website. Make sure the URL is correct to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Once you arrive at the home page, locate the login button typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click this button to be directed to the login screen. Step 3. On the login page, you will see fields requesting your email address and password. Enter your registered email address carefully to ensure accuracy. Then type your password. Make sure it is exact, including capitalization and special characters. Step 4. If you want to save time on future visits, consider ticking the Remember Me option. This will keep you logged in on this device, but only choose this on a secure and personal device. Step 5. Before clicking the Login button, double-check your credentials to avoid errors. When you are ready, click the Login button and wait a few moments for the system to authenticate your details. Step 6. If your login is successful, you will be taken directly to your TestingTime dashboard, where you can access all your testing projects and tasks. If you encounter any issues like forgotten passwords, click the Forgot Password link to initiate the password recovery process. You will receive an email with instructions on how to reset your password. Following these steps guarantees a smooth and secure login experience on TestingTime. Remember, always protect your login information and avoid sharing your password with others. Now you're ready to begin your testing activities efficiently and with confidence. Enjoy your TestingTime experience.